Imagine a colossal asteroid, Aphosis 2029, hurtling towards Earth at unimaginable speeds. In mere seconds, it could change life as we know it. This isn't science fiction, it's a reality scientists have been tracking for years, and it brings a crucial question. How prepared are we? This scenario underscores why we need globalization and the highest technology available. The world must unite, sharing resources and knowledge to deflect such threats. That's where Web3 comes in, an advanced, decentralized internet where information flows freely and securely. It's not just a technological upgrade, it's a necessity.